Rajesh bhai, how are you doing today? Well, I've actually visited your website, Techmart, Unbox.com, and I actually spoke to you over the phone yesterday. And trust me, you have very competitive prices, and that's what makes the whole deal. And also, what cracked the deal was the kind of customer service that you provided when I spoke to you over the phone.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. This is gonna be again a Ryzen 2nd generation build, and the budget is 70k for this build. So let's just go ahead and start with the component details and their pricing. Starting with the processor, this is Ryzen 5 2600 and this is 6-core 12-thread processor for 15,900 rupees only. We have got the cabinet, which is Corsair 100R. You can probably go ahead with the spec one, which is for 2,800 rupees. However, this has dual USB 3.0 in the front. This cabinet is for 3,400 only. For the motherboard, we have Gigabyte AX370 Gaming. This is for 10,400 rupees only. For graphics, we have got MSI GTX 1060 3GB OC edition. This is for 21,000 rupees only. For the power supply, we have got VS650 and this is for 4,200 rupees only. This will do the job perfectly well for this build. G-Skill Ripjaw V series and this is 3000 MHz for 16,000 rupees only. For the SSD, we are using a basic SSD, which is WD Green 240GB SSD for 5,500 rupees only. And for storage, we're gonna use WD 1TB Blue. This is 7200 RPM for 3,000 rupees only. And yes, a Wi-Fi dongle complimentary for my subscriber. This PC has been requested by one of my subscriber and he does have a YouTube channel. The link would be in the description box. Please show him some love and subscribe his channel. So let's just go ahead and start building the PC. By the time you watch this video, this box has already been delivered to him, and that was a quick video about 70k gaming PC. You can follow him. I've shared his channel link in the description box below. That's about the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.